All right, so your front jack point, this is for reference, the Honda logo on the hood right in the middle. This front jack point, extremely easy to locate. So you have this right in the middle. Right under here is this reinforced area, this metal reinforced area. So I'm putting my jack right on that. So we're gonna jack the front up first. So that's where we're gonna jack the front up. All right, so our rear jack location coming right in from the back here. Also very easy to find, just farther underneath than it is on the front jack point. So coming in from the back here. You can tell there's your wheels and right in the middle. That's where the rear jack point is. So on these particular jack stands that I use, these Torin 3 tons that I'll put links in the description. I make notes when I do jobs so I don't have to figure things out every time. I get it to where 4 teeth are showing on the front jack, where I have, 4 teeth showing right there. That's how high I jack it up. And on the back, it's 5 teeth. So I got 5 teeth showing on the back. And that works for me. And so what I do is I jack up the front, I jack up the back, I lower the jacks where all the weight is on the 4 jack stands. And then once all the weight is on the 4 jack stands, I jack the front and back floor jack back up again, just so they're touching the jack point. So that way I have a safety at all times. If I'm ever doing a job where the floor jack is in my way, then I go ahead and move the floor jack to some other point that would hold the car up. Even if it's not an official jack point, it's something that would save my life. If a floor jack would fail, it would be in a spot that would hold the car up for me to get out of there. So never trust your life to one thing.